Good day, everyone. This is my presentation on File Organization Challenge. Today, I will explain the folder structure I designed for my BSBE student files, what goes inside each folder, the naming rules I follow, and why this system is important. The goal is simple: to keep my school files neat, easy to find, and organized for the whole semester. Let's begin. Part 1, Main Structure and 01 underscore lectures. First, let me show you main folder structure. Everything is placed inside one main folder named BSBE Student. Inside it, I have 6 main subfolders. Folder 1 is Lectures. This folder holds all my lecture materials, notes, handouts, screenshots, and recordings. Inside Lectures, I organize them by subject and by week. For example, Financial Accounting, week number 01, Introduction. Week number 2, Journalizing. Also, Business Math, Principles of Management, Marketing Management, and so on. This way, whenever I need to review, I can easily go to the subject and find the exact week's lesson. Part 2, 02 underscore activities underscore assignments. Next is folder 02, activities and assignments. This folder contains all my completed activities, homework, quizzes, and exam files. I separate them into 3 parts: individual activities, group activities, and quizzes and exams. Keeping this separate helps me track what I have finished, what is still due, and keeps my schoolwork organized by type, so I never lose any assignment. Part 3, 03 Financial Worksheets. Third is folder 3, Financial Worksheets. This folder holds my Excel files, budgets, cash flow analysis, ratio analysis, and any files related to financial computations, cash flow, and analysis. Since I am a BSBE student, I create many financial spreadsheets. Having one dedicated folder keeps all my financial work together, easy to open, update, and submit. Part 4, 04 Research and 05 Presentations. Fourth is folder 4, Research Files. This is where I keep research proposals, data, references, and formatted sources. Inside it, I have subfolders: research proposals, data collection, and reference. This keeps my research work complete and organized. Then we have folder 5, Presentations. This contains my slide decks and supporting materials for reports and presentations. I separate them into group presentations, individual presentations, and my final presentation. This makes it very easy to find exactly what I need when it is time to report in class. Part 5, 6. Reference materials and naming rules. 6 is folder 6. Reference materials. This holds useful readings, articles, e-books, templates, and anything I use for academic and professional work. Now, I follow strict naming conventions for all my files. I use underscore instead of spaces. Start with date or week number. Be specific. Use title case and include the file type or version at the end. Example, week 01 underscore introduction underscore financial accounting. This system helps me search, sort, and back up files easily. No clutter, no missing files. Conclusion. To summarize, my 6 folders are lectures, activities, financial worksheets, research files, presentations, and reference materials. Everything is organized by subject, by type, and by week. Files are named clearly and consistently. Why is this important? Because an organized folder structure saves time, prevents lost files, makes backing up easier, and helps me study better. This is my file organization system for the whole semester. Thank you for listening.